President John. And one thing I failed to mention, intervening in the conversation, was his respect to everybody. And we all know through our club assemblies that we can get into some very unique and well-developed conversation when it comes to particulars of any project that we run. So, given that, our guest speaker today is Jamil Madani, and he is the owner of the development for the Brockville Shopping Center transformation. And the big thing with this is that the shopping center has sat there for many, many years. And basically the main use of that facility, thanks to Stingers, has developed quite a recreational facility there. So with the redevelopment, which Jamil will be speaking about, will be amazing change for the city of Brockville. And it's a major step in Brockville's urban revitalization. So, Rotarians, give a warm welcome to Jamil.